Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is science, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is motion. So we were discussing the in-text questions, means the questions given within your chapter. So today we will discuss the questions given on page number 112. So the page number 112. The first question is there. According to that question, an athlete is running on a circular track of diameter 200 meters. A circular track is there of diameter 200 meters. Diameter of the track of the circular track is equals to 200 meters. Time taken to complete one round. Time taken to complete one round, 40 seconds. And afterwards we have to calculate the distance and displacement after 140 seconds. Calculate distance and displacement after 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So the time will be 2 minutes plus 20 seconds, that is 120 plus 20, that is 140 seconds. We are supposed to find the distance and displacement after 140 seconds. So in 40 minutes athlete covers one round. One round means the distance equals to the circumference, and the circumference will be 2 pi r. So in 1 minute athlete covers the distance 2 pi r upon 40. Now we have to calculate in 140, that is seconds. 40 seconds, 1 second. Now after 140 seconds athlete covers 2 pi r upon 40 into 140. So now we are supposed to substitute the values. This is the distance. So this is for distance. We are two into pi means 22 upon 7 into r, and the r will be d by 2, that is 200 by 2, that is 100 meters. So 2 pi r, that is 100 into 140 and divided by 40. So from here 7 2 the 14, 0 and 20, 2 the 40, 2 cancel out 2, and we are left with 2000 200 meters. That is the distance covered, 2200 meters. Now for the displacement. For displacement, in 40 seconds, 1 round. In 1 second, 1 by 40 round. And what is the total time? That is 140 seconds. 1 upon 40 into 140 rounds. So 0 cancel out, 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, means 7 upon 2, that is 3 and 1 by 2 rounds. 3 and 1 by 2 rounds. So we have to find the position after 3 and 1 by 2 round. Suppose he started from A. So 1 round completes at A, then second round, then third round completes at A. Now half round. So the athlete will reach here only at B, and the displacement will be the shortest distance between the initial point and the final point. So after 140 seconds, the displacement will be equals to the diameter, and that is 200 meter. We have already discussed that displacement can be equals to or less than the distance. If displacement can be equal to a distance when the object is moving in a straight path, but here the object is not moving in a straight path, it is moving in a circular path. So always the displacement will be less than the distance when the object is moving in circular path. So we can see here also, after 140 seconds means 2 minutes 20 seconds, the distance covered is 220 meters and the displacement is only 200 meters. At the same time, we will discuss the next question. Next question is question number 2. In the meantime, you can read question number 2 on page number 112. According to this question, someone is moving from the point A to B. And the distance between A to B, that is point A, and this is point B. So someone is moving A to B and the distance is 300 meters and the time taken is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Time taken is 2 minutes and 30 seconds is equals to 2 minutes is equals to 120 seconds. 30 means 150 seconds. After reaching at B, that one comes back 100 meters back at point C, that is 100 meter, and this is 300 meter total from A to B. So we have to find the average speed from A to B and average speed as well as average velocity from A to B and A to C. So first case will be from A to B. Average speed will be distance upon time, that is total distance is 300 meters and the time taken is 150 seconds, means 2 meter per second. Average velocity is equals to displacement upon time, that is the displacement is 300 and the time is 150. So this will be 2 meter per second. So we can see here average speed is equals to average velocity. Why? Because the object is moving in a straight path, where when the object is moving in a straight path means the distance will always be equals to the displacement. Now we will discuss the second part, that is from A to C. So the average speed will be distance upon time. Distance will be, and the from time taken from B to C, that is 1 minute. 1 minute, that is T1, that is T2. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So average speed will be total distance upon time taken. Total distance will be 300 in going from A to B, then B to C, that is 100 more, and time taken is 150 seconds from A to B, and then 60 seconds more, then 300 plus 100, 400 upon 210, and 0 cancel out, 0, and 40 is divided by 21, that will be 1.904, to be exact 1.904 meter per second. At the same time, average velocity will be displacement upon time. So the displacement is the shortest path between initial point and the final point. Here the initial point is A and the final point is C. So this distance will be, total is 300, 100 this side. So distance between A and C will be, displacement between A and C will be only 200 meters. So that will be 200 upon total time taken. Time taken is same. So that will be 20 upon 21, that will be 0.952 meter per second. Here the average velocity and the average speed both are different, because the motion of the object is not straight. Now here, after reaching some point, the object is coming back, means the displacement will be less than the distance covered. So I hope that you have understood the questions, and I hope that you will again solve these questions by yourself, and if you face any problem, then you can watch the videos again. At the same time, you are supposed to try the remaining questions as well. At least you should try, and if you face any kind of problem, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts. At the same time, after completing the homework, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.